This year will mark the 6th edition of International Yoga Day. And in light on the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the theme this year is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. This year, the focus will be on practicing yoga at home with one's family. What is yoga exactly? Is it just an exercise form? Is it a religion, a philosophy, an ideology? Or is it something else entirely? The word yoga literally means union.
It could be said that a primary goal of yoga is to gain balance and control in one's life, to free one from confusion and distress, to provide a sense of calm that comes from the practice of yogic exercises and the practice of breath control.
Yoga isn't just about stretching and bending. It also requires a surprising amount of strength. Physical strength is important in order to prevent injury, boost the immune system and metabolism, and help make everyday tasks easier.
Yoga, however, realigns and rejuvenates the body inside and out. Yoga frees the mind from the negative feelings caused by the fast pace of modern life.
Yoga also reduces anxiety. Shallow breathing, poor posture, and tense muscles are both results and causes of anxiety. If you have been stuck in an anxiety cycle for a long period of time, it's likely that your body has almost learned to protect itself by remaining tense, physically closed off, and with very short, sharp breaths. A morning yoga practice will help to get the blood, breath, and muscles moving before breakfast, therefore allowing the nutrients from your food to be better absorbed. A strong practice can help build muscle, dramatically boost metabolism, and breathing fully and deeply increases circulation, also helping the metabolism to stay ticking along nicely. Yoga is a dance of movement and stillness. When one element magnifies and defines the other, whereby we are nourished and revived in the consciousness of this all-embracing, deeply intelligent form of body-mind exercise and meditation.
कथक नृत्य साधना भी योग साधना के समान ही मन, शरीर और आत्मा का सामंजस्य है। योग के ही भांति नृत्य भी ईश्वर को पाने का एक साधन है। यदि इसे व्यायाम के संदर्भ में देखा जाए तो कथक की तत्कार करने से रक्त संचार सुचारू रूप से चलता है, शरीर में लचक आती है और इसकी भाव भंगिमाएं शरीर में खिंचाव पैदा कर उसे चुस्त बनाती हैं। धा धिक धिक थे धिक धा धिक धिक थे धिक धा धिक धिक थे ता थे तत तत ता थे ता थे ता धिग ता धिग थे धिक धा धिक धिक थे तथे थे धिक धा धिक धिक थे तथे थे धिक धा धिक धिक 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 थे ता तथे थे तत तत ता थे ता ता धिग ता तथे थे धिक धा धिक धिक थे तथे थे धिक धा धिक धिक थे तथे थे धिक धा धिक धिक 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 थे ता तथे ता.
Today, we are celebrating summer solstice. Summer solstice is all about reflection and connecting to the natural world. As the sun travels on its longest path, providing the most daylight. By observing the sun, the body creates mindfulness to see the sun's light within and helps center the mind and body. Wishing you an abundance of light this summer. Add years to your life and life to your years just by embracing yoga in your life. Wishing you a peaceful and healthy life on International Yoga.